Hi there, this Inkbird thermostat has been reported as displaying an error message and a warning beep. Let's see if it's reproducible. The display looks fine, the flickering is only on the camera. Oh yes, the fault is reproducible. According to the manual, the unit displays an error in just one case, when it detects a temperature sensor fault. Let's see if the sensor still works. Yes, the top display shows the temperature definitely increases because I'm holding the sensor. But then the fault occurs. Time for a closer look. 4 crosshead self-tappers hold the rear of the housing, a refreshing change from all these security screws. Like in many timers, I was half expecting a capacitor dropper power supply with the usual problem of the capacitor failing, but no, this unit has a proper switch mode power supply. Even with proper slots cut out for separating mains voltage from the rest of the PCB. It produces 5 volts, which I measured but forgot to video, sorry. The good impression is somewhat marred by the soldering of some of the components, especially the switches. Anyway, back to the problem. The NTC sensor connection looks strange. I think this gunk has been deliberately applied as a kind of protection. But it seems that at least the black wire is somewhat loose, which might be the cause of the error, or maybe the waxy stuff has become conductive. Trying to clean the stuff away with isopropanol proved to be tough, as the waxy substance was not dissolving, or at least not very fast. In the end, I desoldered the wires through the wax, which was easy enough, and cleaned the soldering iron tip afterwards. With the wires gone, it was now possible to mechanically clean the PCB with brushes. This worked much better. I also cleaned the leads. Because the sensor wires come through a molded strain relief, I could not simply snip off the ends to make new ones. The wires would then be too short to reach the PCB. Now to insert the wires back into the holes to solder them on. And to test the unit to check that the error message is gone. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe if you not have already, and maybe consider becoming a Patreon. That would really help this channel. The link is in the description. As Patreon, you always get early access to videos, a blog and other exclusive content. Thanks for watching.